everyone, my name is Kelly. I hope that you guys are doing well and ready to learn more about Excel. The main purpose of my videos is to help you guys increase your efficiency and productivity when it comes to using Excel. If you do like my video, I do encourage you to click on the like button and then subscribe to my channel. Today's video is an Excel tutorial on the AND and OR functions. To begin with, I will summarize the use of each function before showing you guys an example. The AND function returns a value of true if all of its arguments are met. The OR function returns a value of true if any of its argument is met. The situation in which we will be applying the two functions is for a student to pass their semester, they either need to pass both midterms or the final exam. The passing grade is 70%. Here is a table with some data which summarizes the midterm and the final grades for the 6 students. Let's begin by looking more closely at the AND function. The objective is to quickly determine whether the student has passed both midterms. For the formula, you simply have to write AND and then list the criteria. In this case, the first criteria is to determine whether the student has at least 70% grade on their first midterm. The second criteria is the same as the first, but for the second midterm. If both criteria are met, Excel will return a true value. If the criteria is not met, Excel will return a false value. So, when you copy and paste the formula down, you will observe that there are 3 students who have not passed both midterms. Now, let's look more closely at the OR function. The objective is to determine whether the student has passed either their 2 midterms or their final exam. For the formula, you simply have to write OR and then list the criteria. In this case, the first criteria is to determine whether the student has passed both midterms. The second criteria is to determine whether the student has passed their final exam. So, when you copy and paste the formula down, you will observe that there is only one student who has not passed both of their midterms nor their final exam. To conclude, using these functions on a regular basis will help to increase your efficiency when using Excel. I do hope that this video was helpful. I have made other videos that explain different Excel functions. I do encourage you to view them, especially if you want to learn more about Excel.